In case number 2, the relation is R2, whereas R2 is the relation having the property that is less than so this property holds good for all its elements, but we know that relation R is given by means of the elements R is given by means of 77, 78, 79, 87, 88, 89 and 97, 98, 99. So now here seven comma 7, 7 comma 8 and now 7 comma 9 are the first three ordered pairs. Then now next three ordered pairs will be of 8 comma 7, 8 comma 8, 8 comma 9 as the next three ordered pairs. Then now with 9, so here 9 comma 7, 9 comma 8 and 9 comma 9. These are the 9 ordered pairs of the relation given relation R. So from this we have to write the relation R2 by condition that is less than for all its elements. So here R2 is given by means of, but the condition for the R2, or in other words it can also be called as the property. Here the property of R2 is less than, mathematically we can write it as, so less than symbol, so that implies the first coordinate that is x must be less than the second coordinate y. So in this manner we have to choose the elements or the ordered pairs from the given relation that is R in order to write the relation that is R2. So now R2 can be written as, so R2 is equals to the first element, the x coordinate is of 7 and the y coordinate is of 7, both are equal. It does not satisfy this condition that is x less than y. So here x coordinate is of 7 and y coordinate is of 8, 7 is less than 8, first coordinate is less than second coordinate, or x coordinate is less than y coordinate, or in other words x is less than y. So therefore we can include 7 comma 8. So here 7 comma 9, so 7 is less than 9, that is x is less than y, even we can include 7 comma 9 also in the relation that is R2 as an element. Then now, so 8 comma 7, that is x is greater than y, that is 8 is greater than 7. So here the symbol is of less than. So here this does not satisfy this condition, we can avoid this. 8 comma 8 both are equal. So here 8 comma 9, x coordinate is of 8 and y coordinate is of 9, 8 is less than 9. So we can include 8 comma 9 also as the element of the R2. Then now 9 comma 7, so here x coordinate is of 9 and y coordinate is of 7, 9 is greater than 7, we can avoid this, and here x coordinate is of 9 and y coordinate is of 8, 9 is greater than 8, x is greater than y, we can avoid this. So here last ordered pair, so here 9 and 9 are equal, that it does not satisfy this condition x less than y, therefore only these three are the elements of R2. So here when we separate by means of commas, it will be in the roster form, but here we have to show the relation R2 in the set builder form. So in order to show in the set builder form, so here R2 is equals to, so here we are denoting the first coordinate by means of x and second coordinate by means of y, and similarly and so on, every ordered pair has its x coordinate and y coordinate. So here the gen form or the general formula of R2 of this relation is of x comma y such that the slash indicates such that, then now x comma y, each and every ordered pair of this relation R2 is belonging to, so 7 comma 8, 7 comma 9, 8 comma 9 are also in the set consisting R, that is these are the elements of R, but R is nothing but, so R is equals to A cross A. So here we got this 7 comma 7 from A cross A, so here we can write it as, instead of R we can write it as A cross A, whereas the condition is of x less than y, each and every element of R2, whereas x coordinates are less than the y coordinates in the first ordered pair, and similarly and so on. So here we can write the condition as x less than y, or in other words the property is x less than y for this relation R2. So here now this is in the form that is set builder form. So this is the set builder form of the relation R2. Then now let us go for the third case, that is case number 3. Say in case number 3, R3 is a relation having the property, or in other words, the formula that is greater than. So here we have to write the ordered pairs in such a manner that it must satisfy this condition, that is greater than for all its elements, or in other words, for its elements. Then now, but we know that the relation R, the given relation R is given by means of 7, 7, 7, 8, 7, 9 and similarly so on up to 9, 9. So now 7, 7 is the first element of this relation R, 7, 8, 7, 9. With 8, 8, 7, 8, 8 and now 8, 9 are the next three ordered pairs. Then now here with 9, 9, 7, 9, 8, 9, 9 are the last three ordered pairs of this relation R. But here in order to write the condition of R3, the condition is of, or the property is of, is greater than. So based upon this condition, that is greater than, we have to write the elements of R3. But here the condition of R3, or in other words, the property of R3 is of, is greater than. So here mathematically we can write it as greater than symbol. So that implies the first, in case of an ordered pair, the first coordinate x must be greater than that of the second coordinate, that is y. So based upon this principle or the property or the formula, we have write the relation R3. So here the R3 elements will be of. So R3 is given by means of. So when we check up with the elements of R, that is first ordered pair x and y, so x coordinate is of 7 and y coordinate is of 7, both are equal, it does not satisfy this condition, x greater than y. Then now here x comma y, so here 7 is less than 8, but here we need x coordinate must be greater than y, so here it does not satisfy this condition. 7 comma 9, 7 is less than 9, but here x coordinate must be greater than, so here we can avoid 7 comma 9 also. Whereas here 8 comma 7, first coordinate is of 8 and second coordinate is of 7, 8 is greater, x coordinate is greater than y coordinate, so here it will satisfy this condition. Therefore we can include 8 comma 7 as the first ordered pair or the first element of this relation R3. Then now comma, then now 8 comma 8 both are equal, it does not satisfy this condition. 8 comma 9, first coordinate is of x and y coordinate, second coordinate y coordinate is of 9, x is less than y, that is 8 is less than 9, so here it does not satisfy this condition. 9 comma 7, so here x comma y, 9 is greater than 7, that is x is greater than y, therefore we can include 9 comma 7 also as the element of this relation R3. Then now here x value is of 9 and y value is of 8, so here 9 is greater than 8, that is x is greater than y, therefore it satisfies this condition, therefore we can include 9 comma 8 also as the element of this relation R3. But whereas in the last ordered pair x and y, so here x and y are equal, so here x coordinate is of 9 and y coordinate is of 9, both are equal, it does not satisfy this condition x greater than y, therefore only these are the three elements which satisfies the relation, that is greater than, for this R3. But here I have separated these three elements by means of commas, so this will give in the roster form, but here we have to write in the set builder form. In order to write the set builder form, so here R3 is equals to, we are assuming the first element, first coordinate as x and the second coordinate as y. So here each and every element ordered pair, so in each and every ordered pair the first coordinate will be of x coordinate and the second coordinate will be of y coordinate. So here we can write it as x comma y, such that, so these coordinates, that is x comma y, every ordered pair is belonging to R, but the relation R we got it from A cross A. So here instead of R we can write it as A cross A, but the condition for this relation R3 is of x greater than y, because here first coordinate is greater than second coordinate in each and every ordered pair, so we can write the condition as x greater than y. So therefore this gives us the set builder form of the relation, that is R3. So this is the set builder form of the relation R3.